Hey there, and welcome. So, you're holding your brand new Tiny Daba card, and you're probably wondering, what's next? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Over the next few minutes, we're going to take that physical card and turn it into your very own live, powerful, and totally custom digital profile. Let's get right into it.
So, first things first, we have to connect your physical card to your new online dashboard. Think of this as the key that starts the engine. It's a quick, one-time step that unlocks all the awesome customization we're about to jump into.
Now, this step is all about making sure that your card is linked to your account and nobody else's. It's a quick security thing, a one and done process. So let's get you connected.
Okay, it's super simple. Just 3 quick steps. First, just go to nfc.vc and sign in with your Google account. Easy enough? Once you're in, you'll see a button that says Create Link. Click that and then choose Bio Link. Now for the last step, grab your physical card. See that unique ID printed right next to the QR code? Just type that number in, hit create, and boom! That's it, you're connected.
All right, with the techie stuff out of the way, now we get to the really fun part, making your card look amazing. This is where you get to match it perfectly to your personal style or your company's brand. So inside your dashboard, you're going to want to click on the Settings tab. Think of this as your creative cockpit, right? Every visual element, from the background colors to the fonts, it's all controlled from right here. First up, the background. And you've got some seriously cool options here. You can keep it clean and simple with a solid color, or maybe pick one of the really slick abstract gradients. Or you can go fully custom and upload your own image, like your company logo or a branded background. You can even use a video to make it pop.
And the control doesn't stop with the background. Oh no. You can really dial in the details. You can pick from a bunch of professional fonts, tweak the text size, and you can even upload your logo as the favicon. You know that tiny little icon you see up in the browser tab? It's all about making it look exactly right.
Okay, pro tip, and this one is super important. After you make any changes in the settings, you have to scroll down and smash that update button. It's so easy to forget, but if you don't click it, none of your hard work gets saved. Seriously, make hitting update a reflex. Okay, so your card is looking sharp. Now it's time to actually put some stuff on it. We're gonna head over to the Blocks tab. These blocks are literally the building blocks of your digital profile, all the crucial info you want to share.
I always recommend starting with 2 key building blocks. First, add an avatar block. This is perfect for your professional headshot or your company logo. Then, right underneath that, add a heading block for your name and your job title. Right away, people know exactly who you are.
And you'll see the whole system is built to be incredibly intuitive. To add something new, you just click Add Block and pick from a whole library of options. Want to reorder things? You just drag and drop. You have total control, and it's all just simple drag and drop.
Now we get to what is honestly the most powerful feature of a digital business card, the V-Card. This is the magic button that lets someone save all of your contact info, name, number, email, straight to their phone's contacts. No more fumbling around trying to type in a phone number. It's just one tap and they've got you. So to get this working, you'll add the V-Card block, and that creates that Save Contact button on your page. But, and this is the most important part, once you add that block, you have to click on the little 3 dots to actually edit it. That's where you put in your phone number, your email, your website, all your info. You have to fill that out, otherwise the button won't have anything to save.
Awesome. The design is done, the core info is there. Now let's explore how to take this thing to the next level and really make your card a memorable experience by adding some richer content. And get this, you're not just stuck with a few basic links. There are over 40, that's 40, different types of content blocks you can add to your page. It lets you build a truly comprehensive and interactive profile. I mean, just look at some of the popular ones. You can drop in your social media icons, build out a whole image gallery of your work, embed a YouTube video right on the page, or even upload a PDF of a menu or catalog. You can even add a form to collect email leads directly from your card. The possibilities are huge. And for you power users out there, or maybe if you have a marketing team, you can get even more advanced. There are options to add SEO details to help you get found on Google, you can password protect your card, or even integrate marketing tools like the Metapixel. But hey, don't worry about any of that if you don't need it. It's totally optional.
And that's basically it. Just like that, in only a few minutes, you've built a real, professional digital business card. It's live right now, ready to go out and make a great impression.
Your card is officially active at that short URL connected to your card's ID. Seriously, grab your phone right now, open a browser and type in that URL. You can see exactly what people will see when they tap your card. It's live. And one of the coolest parts? The dashboard gives you some really simple but powerful analytics. You can see exactly how many people have viewed your card, and you can even see which of your links or buttons are getting the most clicks. It's incredibly useful feedback.
So, there you have it. The foundation is all set, the card is live, and you've got all these amazing tools at your fingertips. The only question left is, what are you going to add next to make your card absolutely unforgettable?